Stein 62 at 33 pounds. This part I don't like. See if I do that, pulls the shoulder up, there's room here. I guess I can pull the sternum up higher. But it sits right on top of my hip, which is great. But you see this? Yeah, I think it's because of the internal frame. It's light, but I got that compromise since I'm walking on even supposedly rock terrains and sand on what's it, Zion or Art or the Arches National Park or Zion. I have a lot of these, which I heard that's pretty common in the backpacking world, but I don't have that shifting on an external frame. Caveat that external frame is a little more heavier than the internal frame, so the Stein 62. It's more comfortable if I was to really carry this 33 pounds daily than the Dragon. So I might forego the Dragon. You use this, maybe use that coolie as you guys suggested for day pack for moving around. But to carry the 2 sleeping bag, the 2 chairs, sit pad, and camera gear for astrophotography and sunrise movie time lapse. This is realistic. I'll probably carry it. Well, there is a 3-liter water hydration on the top right there, and you got the smart bottle water there, and then 32 ounce there. So it's a little heavy, but I know I'm going to be end up carrying it anyway. And extra layers. We gotta make room for extra layers in the morning, then shedding the layers in the morning toward the afternoon, and snacks. Well, snacks probably go back in the car anyway, but just water and tiny snacks. But yeah, this is what the Stein 62 currently is at 33 pounds. It's lighter than the external frame that I probably carry with the Metcalf on the Guidelight MT frame. But I'm gonna give this a try, see if this wobbling will figure out how to cinch it. Let's see what happens.